There it is. It's all lit up with the buttons. Running on mains at the moment, but I have got an adapter if you want it. It's running on a choose what you want. 5200, what should we run? Metrics and television. Super Nintendo. That's Nintendo. Prince of Persia, and press those two buttons to. Is it those two? No, it's those. Those two to. Which ones is it? I can't remember. It's those two. To, I'm stuck in. Back to pretty well everything you could think of. What's the term? These are old games. What's on data raised? Oh, that's some lots of fighting games. Ghosts and Goblins. Come on. Anyway. We'll start. There we are. Oh, we can't shoot. Oh. And adjust the volume and things on these controls here. Turn the lights on and off if you don't want them on. There we are.